Hey you guys, so I just entered my classroom, and if you guys remember from the last time, I had a lot of it set up, but they had to wax my floor. So look you guys, I'm like back at square one. So which I am so grateful for, you know, our janitors and everything, but it's like, oh my gosh, I'm back at square one. And I probably should have waited. I should have waited anyway until they waxed the floor, but I wasn't thinking. But so I have to kind of get this area cleaned up again. But at least I know where everything is going to go for the most part, because before I didn't really know where I want to put things. So, but yeah, you guys, so I'm going to go ahead and go through here and start organizing this stuff again. All right, let's do this. I wanted to show you really quick what I'm working on now in my room, and that is organizing all of these videos, okay? I need to do this. It's been long overdue. And I know I shared with you guys before, like, I have a whole lot of good stuff, but a lot of it was, you know, hidden, and so I didn't really know what I have and what I had. And so now that I'm spending this summer going through stuff and getting it organized, like, it is really helpful. So I actually created a chart. I'm gonna show you guys. I'll probably do a separate video so that you guys can really see it. But I'm creating this chart where I am organizing my videos, and I also did this with my games. But I have like the subject and then what video it is. And so whenever I get to like a topic that I'm teaching the students, if it is that I can put like a visual, like a video or something with it, then that's what I want to do. So I'm going through all of these. So I'm actually going to show you guys some of this stuff that I have thus far. None of these are my things. This belongs to the school, but let's just say I moved to another school and I wanted to incorporate any of these. I'm glad that I'm creating this chart, because all I have to do is just look at the chart, you know, find it on the internet, and then order it. So that's also why I'm doing this. But like, for instance, I have this success in the game of life with school, and so it has all these different type of like character, education, building type of stuff in it. And then I have things like videos like this where you can use for your kind of like an interactive guidance lesson that you can do with your students. Then I have the Danger Rangers, I think. Yeah, the Danger Rangers videos. Then I have a lot more other things in here. So I'm going to go ahead, go through these, and try to get them good and organized. I'm trying to fix that. Sorry, y'all. So I'm going to try to go ahead and get these put into my chart so that it can make things a whole lot easier. We're going to be having a back to school bash, and there is a lot of like toothpaste and toothbrushes and some like other little goodies in a bag that a dentist office gave us. I'm actually going to go ahead and show you guys. But I'm thinking about asking my principal if she wants to add this to like whatever things that we're going to be giving out to the kids for the back to school batch. So like, it has a toothbrush in here, toothpaste. So I think that just giving them a bag like this is going to be good. So I'm going to actually bring that up to my principal, because I have a lot. I have a whole lot of this. So I have all of these bags down here. Then I have, let's see if I can scoot out. Then I have those 3 boxes right there. So it's probably about 300 or a little bit under 300. So, and that's about how many kids that we have. So I'm going to see if we can give those out. I probably need to make a little note for that. All right, y'all, so it was a little easier than I thought to move stuff, so that's a good thing. Even to move those tables with the computers on it, that wasn't that hard. So now I'm getting ready to straighten up these books. I had them standing up like this. All right, everything is set up right there. I have to put my little friend somewhere. I think right here will be good. All right, y'all. So that is what it's looking like. Hey, you guys, so I wanted to show you what I was able to get done so far. I still have quite a few things to do, but for the most part, at least I have my classroom set up. I based it off what I did with my last classroom that I had. And so even though this is a smaller space, I still was able to make it work. So when you come through the door, this is what the kids are going to be looking at. I decided to put my small group table right here because it was just too big over there in that area. And so I thought this would just be a really good area just to put this. Of course, you have my sink and my refrigerator, microwave, but I'm probably going to move that over here, over where my desk is. I don't know. I'm just trying to decide. But you have this round table where I'm going to have like the activities. I might feature where I'm going to have activities at where the kids can come, sit down, play with the sand, and all the different type of things. But this is what it's looking like, you guys. I was able to get things organized over here as far as all my school counselor books and stuff. I still, of course, have a lot more things I need to organize, like my desk. And these boxes need to move out the way. I have to get that cleared off. So I can't wait until I get to that. But I'm not going to get to it today. So I'm going to go ahead and wait. I probably won't come back until July 29th when we have our principal discretionary day. And then that's when I'll take some time in here. But this is what it's looking like. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. And make sure you hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a video. All right? I'll see you guys next time.